Hey everyone, today we're checking out the ARZOPA 16.1 inches 144Hz portable gaming monitor. Quick disclosure, this unit was sent to me for review, but as always, I'll be giving you my honest hands-on impressions. So in this video, we'll unbox it, set it up with my PC and play some video games, and run it through a full device lineup: Nintendo Switch, my laptop as a second screen, and even my Galaxy S25 Ultra using DeX and screen mirroring. Let's see if this ultra slim monitor lives up to the hype. First inside the box is your monitor sleeve bag. The sleeve is made of a soft touch neoprene with reinforced stitching and a padded interior. It is great for travel, especially if you're tossing it into a backpack with other gear. It's slim but protective. It fits the monitor nicely, and there's two sections inside for you to store the cables that came with it. It closes securely with a Velcro flap, which makes it easy to access while keeping the monitor protected. Here's your user's manual. It comes with two USB-C to USB-C cable, and one of them is labeled only power supply. It comes with mini HDMI to HDMI cable. This cable is only for data transfer, meaning you still need another cable for power supply. So here is the main star, your portable gaming monitor. First impression, it looks premium in design. It looks like a regular tablet that my daughter used, but it is larger. For the material, it has a slim aluminum chassis with a matte space gray finish. It feels premium and sturdy without being bulky. It is 0.3 inches thick, and it's ultra light at 1.7 pounds, making it ideal when we go travel or for mobile gaming setups. It also features an integrated kickstand that is also adjustable in an angle up to 80 degrees. You can also use this stand for vertical orientation if you are a developer or streamer and no need for a separate stand. Size is just about right, 16.1 inches. It has a resolution of 1080p with a refresh rate of 144Hz, which in my opinion the sweet spot in terms of motion clarity and responsiveness. If you're used to 60Hz, switching to 144Hz feels like turning off motion blur in real life. I play a lot of Call of Duty games, so this is something I'm excited about. For the panel type, it is an IPS with 178 degrees viewing angles, which means you can look at it from an angle without colors going weird. This monitor has an HDR support that adds depth to shadows and highlights. While it's not OLED level, it's a solid upgrade over standard dynamic range, especially for media consumption. It comes with two USB-C ports, one mini HDMI port. Here's your side speaker. Here's your power button. Here's your multifunctional button to control your brightness and volume. And here is your on-screen display menu button. At the bottom, it comes with the rubber feet, and even the kickstand has one. So my PC doesn't support video and power over USB-C, which is pretty common. So I'm using the mini HDMI cable for the display signal and powering the monitor separately with my portable power station. It works perfectly, just make sure you're using a power source that can deliver at least 5 volts. Once it's powered, just press the power button and that's it, you're ready for gaming. But before I forget, the refresh rate by default is set to 60Hz, so we need to set it manually by going to display settings. Go to Advanced Display Settings, select the ARZOPA monitor from the list, and set refresh rate to 144Hz. And that's it, you're ready to game. Alright, so I'm running Call of Duty on the ARZOPA Z1 FC portable monitor, and for a 16-inch screen, it's surprisingly impressive. The HDR adds solid contrast, especially in darker maps, and the 106% sRGB coverage gives you vibrant colors without oversaturation. It's not QLED or HDR 1000 like my Samsung CRG9, but that's kind of the point. Comparing these two is apples to oranges. The CRG9 is 49-inch ultra-wide beast built for cinematic immersion and multitasking. For the ARZOPA, it's built for portability and plug-and-play convenience. And in that lane, it delivers. The 144Hz refresh rate actually gives it an edge in motion clarity over the CRG9's 120Hz. Fast turns, sprinting, and ADS transitions feel snappier. So yeah, it's not a fair fight, but it's not supposed to be. The ARZOPA has its own purpose. It's lightweight, ultra slim, and perfect for travel or a clean second screen. And when I'm gaming on the go, it's more than enough. So now I'm testing it with the Nintendo Switch. This is my daughter's Gen 1 Nintendo. And I've got it connected to the ARZOPA Z1FC using the USB-C cables, one for power, one for video, no dock, no HDMI adapter, just plug and play. The monitor picks up the signal and instantly switches to the active signal, which is the Nintendo. Gameplay looks clean and the colors are surprisingly vibrant for a portable screen. It's got 106% sRGB coverage, so even cartoon-style games like this look rich without being oversaturated. The viewing angles are wide, 178 degrees, so even if my daughter is sitting off to the side or we're sharing the screen in the backseat, everything still looks sharp and consistent. So honestly, this setup is perfect for travel. The monitor is light, slim, and doesn't need a bunch of accessories. Just toss it in the sleeve, plug it in, and the kids are gaming. So I tested it with my S25 Ultra, and here's something I really like about this setup. I'm using just one USB-C cable from my Galaxy S25 Ultra to the ARZOPA monitor, and it's handling both video and power without any external adapter needed. The phone powers the monitor directly and Samsung DeX launches instantly, and my phone will serve as a touchpad and keyboard. It's a clean, minimal setup that feels like a full desktop experience, all from a phone. If I turn off Samsung DeX on my phone, it will automatically mirror what's on my phone's screen. Now if I want to keep my phone charged while using DeX for longer sessions, I just plug a second USB-C cable on the monitor's PD pass-through port and connect it to my power station. That way the monitor stays powered and my S25 Ultra gets charged at the same time. It's a smart design especially for mobile creators or anyone working off-grid. Less cables, no clutter, just plug and play productivity. I also tested the ARZOPA monitor with my Acer laptop and setup was super simple. Just one USB-C cable, handled both power and video and no extra cables needed. Once it's connected, you can choose to extend your screen or just mirror it. For me, this is really useful when I'm streaming away from home. I can use the ARZOPA as my main screen for gaming display and keep my laptop screen dedicated to OBS or Streamlabs. After trying it out in different setups, I'd say it's been reliable. Setup is quick and the display looks clean and it's light enough to carry around without thinking twice. The bag that came with it is a plus. The only thing I would say needs improvement is the built-in speakers, especially to those who doesn't use headset. But that's not really important to me because I use the headset every time I play, and what's important to me is the screen performance. I like the 144Hz refresh rate, and my aiming doesn't give me a lot of blurs in fast movement. It's even better than my Samsung CRG9 in terms of gaming. Overall, it's been a solid second screen for my gaming and my daughter's Nintendo. I'll keep using it whenever I'm away from my main setup. It's not flashy, but it does exactly what it's designed to. If you're a gamer or multitasker, this is a must-have portable monitor. Simple, reliable, and easy to work with.